going to make some patatim. There are many variations to this dish, and it's also known as Pata Estofado or Pata Hamonado. It's very similar to Humba and Adobo as well, but it's slightly different in terms of the ingredients used. Different regions in the Philippines have their own variation to this. But today we are going to make some patatim with pork leg braised in soy, vinegar, garlic, onions, and some sugar. So, if you're ready, I'm ready, let's cook! Okay, so the first thing you want to do is heat some vinegar and sugar into pot. So you want to melt the sugar first. You don't want it to completely boil out, but you want to slowly melt that first. I can see the sugar is already dissolved. Add the onions. Add soy sauce. Some garlic, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? You only live once, just add all of them. Some pepper. So we're gonna let this boil. So you can turn your heat up a bit, and then we are going to add the pork leg. Once it's boiled, add your pork leg. So what I've done with this is literally just rinsed it, and now I'm going to add it in there. So once you've added it in there, you might want to cover it with sauce, but to be honest, you would want to turn this around every now and then and cook for quite some time, so about an hour to 2 hours, depending on how big your pork leg is. And you want to leave that for quite some time, cooking, simmering, and every now and then turn the leg around so that you have cooked the leg evenly. So that's really important, and also so it doesn't stick at the bottom. Right, so now maybe you can do some cleaning, you can do some work in between, you can do something else. That's the beauty about this dish. You know, you can just leave it there cooking. I mean, you could probably put this in the oven as well, you know, and just let it simmer there for quite some time. So, best way to cook, really. Oh my god, our patatim is ready. Right, you quiet. Now let's take a look. OMG, that smells so good. Let's try and poke it to see if it's soft. It's pretty soft to me. Do you know the best thing about cooking it with a bone? You can sort of like suckle on the bone. I love it. I mean, if you guys don't do that, that's cool, but you're missing out. You truly are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off the heat, and I'm going to plate it for you guys in a second. So I'm going to add the pork in a platter. I've chosen quite a deep a deep serving dish so that the soup can sort of all go in there nicely. You definitely want to keep all this soup, because that would be delicious to add. I know this is kind of like a chefy thing, but probably looks kind of neater if you clean the edges a little bit, just like, you know, those chefs and stuff. So probably add this on there. I mean, you don't have to do this with yours, but I thought if this is a centerpiece kind of dish, it just looks great with a bit of vegetables and colors. Oh, no carrots, it's left behind. There you go. All must be eaten. I know Filipino food sometimes look dull and uninviting because of the soy sauce that we use, but you know, it's up to you to get creative to make it look inviting and colorful. So hence why I go all out with my vegetables. And then lastly, I'm going to add a bit of herbs in here, maybe not, we'll see. I think it looks nice with it. I mean, these are all kind of like decorative, but you don't have to do this. Just like the rustic look of it all, and kind of. Also, it smells amazing with it. So I'm going to put that on the side here. Doesn't that look much more inviting, guys? Come on. Look at that. That screams, oh my god, eat me with loads of rice. Do you know what time it is? I know what time it is. It's eating time. That is so tasty. It's super tasty. You're gonna need a chuck full of rice with this, honestly. And the sauce is so Moorish. It's beautiful. Honestly, guys, if you're looking for something comforting with bold flavors, would I say bold? Yeah, bold flavors. This is your dish. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and comment. I would love to hear back from you guys. Please send me a feedback or a question, whatever it might be, below. The full recipe will be on the description. Thank you so much for watching. Paalam! Bye! Guys, it's super set up. Oh my god. Bingo wings! Just wave like a queen. That's why the queen waves like this, so that her bingo wings don't move. Ta-da! Did I go? I guess it's ready. I've cleaned the house. No, I'm sorry. I'm not a perfect wife. I haven't cleaned the house. I was pretending. Potato, tomato, I don't know. They're two different. If you like what you see, please subscribe. I almost joke. So don't eat and speak. Welcome to my channel. This is May Williams, and you're watching Food with May.